The other way that I film, since we're there now, because we are going to be doing some videos later, but we're not necessarily talking today, is I am going to just give you an example with my phone over here. Let's say that you're not as ridiculously audacious as me, and it's quite hard for you to remember what you're going to say next. When we're going through that physiological and biological response to the barrel of the lens, which is very real, your hormones, your chemicals, your biology is literally flooding your body with fear. You begin to sweat. The blood literally moves away from your brain. Your prefrontal cortex turns off so that you can't run away from danger. So it's actually not you being rubbish. Please don't think I suck at camera. No, every single thing about your biology and your physiology is actively stopping you being able to speak. Your blood has moved from the part of your brain that can connect one sentence to another. So what you have to do to get over that is keep the freaking camera on, because all your body is doing is saying, are we going to die now? Are we going to die now? Are we going to die now? Do we need to run away now? When after about, it can be anything from 5 minutes to an hour for some people, depending on the level of fear, okay? You have to keep going. And when I'm doing filming training with people, I get them to talk absolute rubbish to the camera for as long as possible. And I go, tell me what you had for breakfast. What color pants did you put on? Okay, did you put any pants on at all? What do we do next? What did your kids say to you? What did your husband say to you? Where was the dog laying? And I get them to just talk at the lens for as long as possible. After a minute, the body has realized, oh yeah, we're not going to die. So the heart rate comes down, the blood goes back up into the brain, the prefrontal cortex turns back on, the sweating stops, and now all of a sudden we remember our own name. Okay, so, however, you may not have a master's degree in acting and drama. So you may have a premenopause, I can't even speak, see? Perimenopause brain. See, literally already there. This is where you might only be able to remember a line at a time. A line at a time. So when you go to film, I want you to remember a line at a time. So you press record, it's recording. Do not, under any circumstances, stop the recording. You're going to press record. And I'm going, oh no, I've forgotten my own name. What am I doing a video about again? So I'm going to be like, hi, I'm Sarah Cordiner, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cup of tea. Oh no, I've forgotten what I was going to say. Pause. I'm pausing myself, not the recording. You keep the recording recording. See the big red thing there? Recording. Right, have a little pause. Look at my notes. Have an existential crisis for a moment. We go back to our notes and we just remember the next line. Get back into the center. Haven't stopped the recording. Step one for making a cup of tea is you grab the little tea bag. I prefer these nice, tasty British extra strong ones. Stick them in your favorite cup. Oh no, I forgot what I was going to say. Pause myself, not the recording. Look at the notes. Snort a line of cocaine. No, I'm joking. No. Where's my lawyer? Drugs are bad, okay? You look at your notes. What was I going to say next? One line at a time. It's still recording. Right. Got it on camera. Blackmail material. So you're going to jail. Tip number 3, pour in milk. I prefer the full fat stuff because it's yummy. However, if you are lactose intolerant, tough shit. Anyway, what was I going to say? What was I going to say? Oh no, we pause, look at the notes, and then we carry on. Once we've finished, I like to wrap up the video with what we started the video with. Still haven't stopped the recording. And that is how you make a cup of tea. Now we stop the recording. What we have now is one single video file that we can now go and edit, show you how in a minute, probably tomorrow, rather than 50 million teeny tiny random snips of you going, oh fuck. Then somehow you have to stitch together, right? Absolute nightmare. Trying to stitch together multiple clips and working out which one was the good one, which one was the rubbish one, nightmare. Horrendous. Everyone's just going to be retiring early, okay? One file. I upload the one file to my favorite editing tool, which is called Descript. I have an affiliate link, sarahcordiner.com/Descript. Anyway, no idea what you get. That simply with the click of one button, you press remove gaps. Where you were just mucking around doing nothing, you just delete the gaps. You press add captions, upload. Seconds. CapCut does the same. If you've got the pro plan on CapCut for the $10 a month or whatever it costs, same thing. Snip, cut out the breaks, cut out the bits you don't want and don't like in there, captions, upload. So this is how you can very easily make yourself videos without having to go in that permanent loop of